Hello everyone, my name is Seb and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over Aavegotchi, and in particular we're going to be moving our funds from Binance, such as Ethereum or maybe Ghost token, and we're going to be moving it across to the Polygon network so that we can stake it and earn some yield. Right now the Aavegotchi token is at all-time highs, $1.97 US. This is the chart here. It's entirely up to you if you want to be buying at all-time highs. Jumping into Binance, you can see the price is just over $2. It's entirely up to you if you buy Ghost and then move it across, or if we move across, say, something like Ethereum. One of the issues with withdrawing an ERC20 such as Ghost from Binance is it's quite a bit more expensive than just withdrawing Ethereum. As you can see here, the fee is 10 Ghost, $20 US. As you can see, it only costs $9 US to withdraw Ethereum. I assume you've already worked out how to buy Ghost or Ethereum on Binance. I'm assuming you know how to set up a Metamask wallet as well. If not, there will be a linked video below. So we've gone into our Ethereum wallet, we're going to click and we're going to copy our address here, paste our address, select the withdrawal network, we'll do max, and we will withdraw. Always check the first and the last few characters just to make sure that is correct. Input your verification codes, and our withdrawal request has been submitted. We will wait patiently for this to come through. Ideally, we want to bridge across our assets from Ethereum to Polygon when gas is low. At the moment, you can see gas is about 45 Gwei. That's quite expensive, but not too expensive. It would be more ideal if we could get our transaction through at about 20 Gwei. To keep it simple, Gwei is a unit of Ethereum, just like dollars has cents. As you can see down here, this is the average price. It's probably going to cost us about $15 to go from Ethereum to Polygon. If we were doing it with an ERC20 token, such as Ghost, it would probably cost us $25 or more with the current gas price. While we're waiting for our transfer to come through, it's important to set up our Metamask. Jump into Metamask and click on this top panel up here where it says Ethereum Mainnet. Here we can see other networks that Metamask can access. Matic Mainnet and Binance Smart Chain, these were both manually added. If you don't have them, the best place to go is Chainlist. Chainlist.org. You just come here, connect your wallet, type in which network you want, click on Add to Metamask, switch network, and then it will add it to your wallet. There is one thing we normally have to change. Click on the circle, go down to Settings, and then we want to scroll on down to Networks. Come on down, click on Matic Mainnet, and at the bottom, make sure the Block Explorer says polygonscan.com. If it doesn't say that, change it. This is the Explorer where we can check on any transaction and it will be linked below. Let's see if our Ethereum has arrived. The next step we want to do in the bridge, we're going to click on Metamask. We will sign the transaction and this takes us to the bridge. We will click on Move Funds from Ethereum to Polygon and then we're going to put in our Ether. It's always a good idea to keep a little bit of Ethereum on the Ethereum network. I'm going to click on Max and then I'm going to change this. So I have about $100 remaining. Then we're going to click on Transfer. You can see it takes 7 to 8 minutes to move from Ethereum to Polygon. We'll click Continue. It's going to estimate how much it's going to cost for this transaction. Just over $11. Continue. Continue. At this stage, I've had many failed transactions on Ethereum because I haven't used enough gas. So what I will do is I'll click on Edit and I'll either click on Fast or alternatively I'll go to Advanced and I'll make sure I'm using more gas than what TX Street is using. So we'll go with 46, save, and confirm. The transaction has left Ethereum and will take about 7 or 8 minutes before it gets to Polygon. Now we're going to go back into our Metamask and we're going to change over to the Matic Mainnet. We're going to go and get ourselves a little bit of Matic token. So we need to use a Faucet. Faucet is like a tap, which just gives you a small amount. Here we are at Aavegotchi. We'll click on Connect Wallet. We've connected our Metamask, and up the top here, it says Visit Faucet. This takes us to Matic.supply. Then we'll click on Connect. We'll do the captcha. Then we'll click on Receive. If this doesn't work, we've got another Faucet we can use. There's faucet.gulus.io. Gulus is an NFT project, which is on Polygon. Now let's go and see if our Ethereum has arrived. Then click on View in Explorer. Here you can see the Ethereum has arrived, and we've got a little bit of Matic, less than 1 cent for transactions. If we click on our Metamask, we do not have the token Ethereum. If we click on Add Token, we need to add the contract address. You don't have to do this, but if you want to, it's very easy. Just click here, click on Wrapped Ether, copy this here, into Metamask, add token, paste, tab, and we're good to go. The first thing to do is to get a little bit more Matic. We're going to come to Quickswap, connect our wallet. We'll go Ethereum to Matic. We'll just get like $2 worth. Swap, approve. If we click confirm, the transaction will go through, but I like it to go through a little bit faster. Send that through. This website is a Polygon gas station. It shows you how much gwei you need to do as a minimum. I normally add about 50 gwei. During really busy times, I will add over 100 gwei. It still costs less than 1 cent per transaction. After the approval, we'll just click on swap and we'll hit confirm. You need to do this as your first action to get a little bit of Matic, just so it makes everything a lot faster. You can go back to the Faucet, but this is a lot faster. Our transaction has gone through. We've got some Matic for gas, and now we've got a couple of options. We can take our ETH and we can convert some of it into Ghost. What I prefer to do, and it does have more risk, is to go to AAVE on Polygon, make sure you're on the Polygon tab, and then connect your wallet. Browser wallet, and we are now connected. What I'm going to do is I'm going to deposit some Ethereum, and then I'm going to borrow some US dollars against it. If you've never used AAVE, watch my tutorial on AAVE. If you don't want to do this, then we can just convert it straight for Ghost. This has more risk because if the price of Ethereum goes lower, then some of your Ethereum will be sold to cover your borrowed asset. I'm going to click on borrow, and I'm going to borrow some USDC. Click continue. You can see my health factor is still green at 1.54. You need to evaluate the risks of Aavegotchi and skip it if it's not for you. Now I'm on my dashboard. I've borrowed some USDC at a very low interest rate. We'll go back to Quickswap. We'll change this to USDC. USDC and Ghost. Approve. As you can see, the block time on the Matic network is about 2.4 seconds. So it moves very fast. You only have to approve a token once. After you've done the approval the first time, you can swap freely with just one transaction. While we wait for that transaction to go through, we'll go to Aavegotchi. We'll click on Stake Ghost again, and then we'll click on Approve. Make the transaction go through quickly. This option of staking Ghost in order to earn FRENS is the most easiest option. Now we can click on Unstaked and stake. Now $850 is earning 416 FRENS points a day. If we click on this purple tab, we can go down to Bazaar, Raffle Tickets. I'm going to go to the drop ticket, and I'm going to see what the cheapest ticket is. This is my preferred ticket at the moment, as it potentially allows you to win a Gotchi in August, or even win a parcel of land in September for the upcoming metaverse. So 15.35 Ghost. The marketplace is full of buyers and sellers, and these prices vary. At the moment, one drop ticket is worth about $30.70. Come back to our staking. We need 10,000 FRENS points in order to get one drop ticket. We're earning 416 a day. That would mean it would take us 24 days to earn one drop ticket. This is the math. It's 10,000 FRENS for one drop ticket. We're earning 416 per day. It would take us 24 days to get one drop ticket. We'll take the year divided by 24. We'll get 15 tickets in 1 year. 15 times 30.7. The current return, which does fluctuate, is about $466 a year. Divided by our investment times 100, it's 54.9% return at the moment. If you want to unstake your Ghost, click on Staked. You can withdraw them all, or you can withdraw whatever amount you like. We're going to withdraw them all. the next thing we will do is DeFi farming on Dinoswap. This is Dinoswap right here. We'll connect our wallet. We'll click on fossil farms. I'm going to scroll down, click on Ghost and ETH, click enable. Do your own research before you enter this. There is smart contract risk. The code has been audited, but bugs do exist in code. If you jump onto my Twitter, this link will be listed below. You can read through this thread, do your own research, and then decide if you want to use Dinoswap. So we come back to Dinoswap. What we have to do is we have to add Ghost and Ethereum to the liquidity pool in order to get the returns. The returns at the moment is 170%. Plus we get FRENS. Normally you would click on this link right here. However, this link is incorrect. So we'll close that. What we can see is we need to use Quickswap, and we'll be adding staked Ghost and Ethereum. Go back to Quickswap. At the top here, we'll click on Pool. We will add liquidity, change this to Ethereum, and change this to Ghost. Then I'll click on Max, approve Ghost, increase the gas, and confirm. It's also important to know what impermanent loss is. Because we're adding two assets, Ethereum and Ghost, 50% here, 50% here. When people come and they buy more Ghost, you'll get more Ethereum and you'll lose Ghost. When people sell Ghost, they will take some of your Ethereum and you'll have more Ghost. What normally happens is this balances out, but what can happen if this price goes down, then all of a sudden you might have 70% of Ghost, 30% Ethereum, and all of a sudden you have impermanent loss. Be aware of the impermanent loss risks. Click on supply. If you want more information on Dinoswap, you can jump into their Discord. If you want more information on Aavegotchi, you can jump into their Discord, or you can jump into my Discord. We've added our liquidity. We're going to go back to Aavegotchi, and now you can see a number here. We are ready to stake. We'll click on approve. We'll click on unstaked, and we'll send this transaction through. Now you can see we're earning 1,122 FRENS per day. Previously it was 416. We've doubled our investment, but we're earning more than double in FRENS due to the fact that this is more risky to enter into a farm. Now that we've staked here, we're earning our FRENS. We're going to go over to Dinoswap. We will quickly refresh the page, then Ghost and ETH, stake LP, confirm, and put the transaction through. If we wanted to remove our liquidity, we could click on the minus button, and we could click on max. When removing this particular token, it is easier to remove it all as opposed to removing just a partial amount. We'll go to Aavegotchi, we'll click on our staked amount, and we will withdraw it. All we are doing is just reversing the steps. After we've withdrawn it, we can go back to Quickswap, and we can click on pool again. We see our pool is just here. We can then remove it. We can remove half of it, 75, or any amount that we like. We can approve and remove, and we'll get the fund. Then we click on approve, sign that transaction, remove, and the Ghost and the Ethereum will go back to our wallet. If for some reason you're in the pool section and you cannot see Ghost and ETH, don't worry, just click on import it, put an ETH and Ghost, and it will show up and we can manage it this way. You can see we've removed Ghost and ETH. If I go to swap, I have my Ghost and my ETH. With Dinoswap, you'll be rewarded with a Dino token. What we're going to do is we're going to go and harvest some of these tokens. This is a different wallet. I click here. There's about $30,000 in this liquidity pool, and it has $27 in rewards. We can click on excavate, and we can send the transaction through. Now, your strategy is entirely up to you. You may want to hold the Dino. You may want to stake the Dino. You may want to convert the Dino US dollars, or maybe even Ethereum. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on exchange. Click on Dino, and then change to USDC. I'm going to take my Dino, click on Max, convert it to USDC, and I'm going to go back to Quickswap, back to swap. I'm going to compound my position by adding more Ghost and more Ethereum. This is the strategy that I am using. It is entirely up to you what strategy you use. And the process is exactly the same as what we just did. Remember, we put $850 US into this pool, and it was giving us 54.9% per year, not including compounding. in FRENS tokens, obviously subject to change. In this pool, we're currently earning 73.9% in FRENS tokens. In addition, we're earning 173.6% in Dino rewards. Our current return is 247.5%. These rewards do fluctuate and will likely go down. There are two other pools that I haven't mentioned. The Ghost and Quick pool. Ghost paired with Quick. Quick is a token of the Quickswap exchange. And then Ghost and USDC pool. Both of these pools I've done in the past. This pool, in my opinion, is higher risk because the Quick price fluctuates enormously. This pool is lower risk because it's paired with USDC, so impermanent loss is normally going to be very, very slim. Neither of these pools, in my opinion, is as good as this one. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, get me in Discord. I'm in the Muggles clan. Come in there, learn, help others once you know, and let's try and grow this community. If you found any value, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.